unboxing part 2. Here we go. So I want to wear something to match the shoes a bit better, but oh well, still a sick outfit. I still like it. Anyways, we got the shoes here from our purchase, from our haul, our less 1.7 haul. And if you guys want these shoes, you better go quick because there's still some in stock from 10.5 and below, 30% off. So yeah, that's a steal for some dunks to get them on sale. Like, you can't really get that too often unless you work for like Foot Locker or Nike or some shit, or you got some sneaker plugs. But yeah, like, super happy about getting them on sale. Less 1.7, Canada, very nice. Maybe they'll ship, but like, probably not trying to do that with like all those like fees and stuff. I'm just noticing now, even on the box, like, this is kind of like translucent. You know, like, it's shiny, very nice. Like, it's so high quality. I love the box. Now I can take the sticker off the front. I got a little hole to pull open. Nike Dunk High 1985 SP. We got the black and yellow strike. Very nice indeed, very nice. You can see right here. And if you want to see even closer up and more details and everything with the light and the macro lens, you can go check out the preview at the end of my video. I have it in the description, and I'll also be putting them on the feet. So check that out. We got a size 10.5. Yeah, these things fit tight as hell though. So size warning also. Oh, like, they smell so nice new too. Like, it's like a high quality leather smell. Like, I really like it. And we have the beautiful Bumblebee styling shoes here. They come with an extra lace. This is Volt green lace that I can pop on if I want to be even more poppin'. But I think the black's gonna be the go-to. Now that I'm shooting the video, I can take the laces off, of course. You can see, I'll still put them in at the preview so you can see a close-up of that, of course. Don't worry about that. Set them right off to the side so I don't lose track of those. I got some crud on my frickin' hands. Frickin' hell, man! Frickin' hell, Maya, why aren't you in the video? She's hiding over there, chewing her rope. Hey, why aren't you in the video? Okay, so I've already done a video on these shoes, so I've already completely gone through them. You can go check out that. I probably do a better job in that video. I don't know. It's an earlier one though, so maybe I don't go over enough of the details. But yeah, it's just a leather shoe. The only thing I didn't really like is how it's not like an actual bleach. It's more like a print, like just a digital print. You can even see the pixelization, so I don't really like how you can see the pixelization. I feel like if it was more natural looking, it would probably look a lot more fire. And if it was like even like hand done or individual print, that would have been insane. Also, it looks like the check is different on this one. This is like a more like a grittier type of leather. I don't know the different names of different types of leather, but it's a different type of leather for sure. Like, it's like a grit. It's like, maybe it's like nubuck painted over or something. Nah, it's some kind of leather painted over, I think. Then you got like that Volt green interior. It's more like yellow voltish mix. In the repeat pattern, you'd probably have a better chance of looking at that at the preview. The repeat pattern on the black, same logo as this. It's yellow and with the Volt green overlapped on top of there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's got a chunky tongue that also adds to it. It's just a whole over-round like chunky premium shoe. Like, the comfort all added to it, like especially around the ankle, above the, on top of the foot, sides of the foot. Just a tight shoe. So, size warning for sure. Classic tag on there. It's even got like an off-white kind of color on the inside of the tongue, which is kind of nice to kind of match this like weird, these weird like banana sole, which is very weird. And then like, what color is this? Like beige or something? I don't even know what color that is. One thing I also noticed when I got these is like they had like crap all over the bottom. I don't think they're worn, but like maybe it was a factory thing. Maybe they're worn slightly. I don't know why, but they're, or like maybe they were set on display and got like crap all over the bottom of them. But yeah, there's crap all over the bottom of them. And then you got like that star texture design throughout. That's something you look for like fakes and stuff. This is from a store, so it obviously wouldn't be fake. But for fakes, you can always look at the stars to see if those are proper. Then you got a Nike logo. For some reason, there's a register beside the swoosh and the Nike. I don't know if that's normal. I don't know if Nike does it all the time, but I'm just noticing that now. Then you got like this kind of like sectioned off sole, and then the waffle on the back. Very nice, very cool. Banana color, can't go wrong. So sick. Love the colorways on this. Like, you kind of look at it at first and you're like, oh, it's just like black and yellow. But no, there's so much going on this shoe. It's really, really like an artistic piece. Really an interesting shoe, but Nike's cheap and fake. So, you know, they like lack when it comes to like that natural, real, down to earth vibe that you need to have to act like to make it. If you want it to be like 5 stars, like this would be 10 out of 10 if they did it right. You know what I mean? But so like it's like I would give it like 8 out of 10. 8.5. They're fire shoes. I'm not used to the highs either, so it's more like a new thing for me. High quality laces. There was something else I was gonna say earlier. Kind of slipped my mind though. Some stitching on the back for that tight part. I think that's to like give it some like a bit of flexibility. Also, the full leather probably makes it a bit tighter. And then like the Volt mesh on the inside actually looks like a nice stitching mesh because it's kind of like one way that it goes. Interesting. Time to try it on and put them on and show you guys what they look like on the feet. These are laced up like crazy. Why are they so tight? I'm gonna have to like loosen these. Did someone with small feet try these on maybe and like tighten them up to the max, or is this just how they come? Maybe that's why my other one's so tight too. It needs to be loosened. Okay, don't judge me when I'm doing my lacing because I really just don't know how to do lacing. So if anyone wants to comment and like suggest on how to properly do lacing. Because I always think I do it the wrong way. Oh my god. So tight, but it fits like just perfect. There's like slightly enough room everywhere. Like at my toes, there's slightly enough room everywhere. It's just like slightly enough room. When I bought the other pair in the first place, I bought a size 10. I told the story in my last video, and then I had to go back actually, and luckily they had a size 10.5 left. I think it was the last one. Because the 10 would not have fit. Like, it was so tight. And then that's crazy because the other day I tried like a size 8 shoe on and it fit. Like, the sizing just doesn't make sense. I love the smell. Like, what kind of smell is it? Is it like, what kind of material did they use? Because it's like, it smells like that like factory smell, but not like that strong, like gross chemically smell. It's like, I don't even know. Oh, and then this foot, oh my god. I need to loosen it more, I guess. To make sure it's a clean insertion of the foot. Insert the foot in the beep. Please stay tuned for our sponsored messages. Matty Ice. Buy your ice today. Signature Matty Ice. Oop, fuck. How long was that down? Buy your signature ice for your coffee and necessities today in the shape of my face. Hired by artists from Iceland, the most hardcore epic designers of ice sculpting ever. Designed these pieces all the way in the Iceland, Netherlands places, North Pole, Santa's workshop. Santa approves of this message. Buy the ice cubes. One ice cube equals approximately $400. Don't go buying those pussy. Well, like, who did the Ice Cube reviews? And, like, it was, like, fucking Ty Dolla $ign and drinking, like, oops, I swore. Effing Ty Dolla $ign, and he's, like, drinking some ice cubes worth, like, $500, and they're just circles. Oh, no. I have an even better idea. They'll be Maya's face. Not my face. And then, like, the epic thing about them is it's like me drowning. They'll like bubble and like change as you drink them. I'll be like, you know, epic. Why do they always make one shoe different than the other? I swear to God, it's not my foot. My foot can't be this much tighter on the one, like, it's either one or the other. Like, the top of this one is so much tighter. Like, the top of this one is, like, epically killing my foot. But then this one fits perfect. That's just what Nike does, bro. I'll show you guys what they look like. It actually looks sick with the pants. Oops. See, this one's so much tighter, it's so annoying. Oh well. It's just gonna crease a bunch. Like, okay. If I loosen up the... No, it's like the stitching there. It's so much tighter. It'll loosen up. Break a stitch or two, you know? That's annoying. It, like, freaking cuts off my circulation. Just enough right there. That's lame, bro. Actually, if I pull up the tongue more, you know, I'll get used to it. That's the way of the sneaker game. Especially when you buy shit on sale. Size warning. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. Comment below what you think of the shoes as well. If you got them yourself, what you think, anything like that. Yeah, like and subscribe for more videos, more hauls, everything coming soon. Peace out, everybody.